Every day, developers deploy highly advanced artificial intelligence models. Yet, behind the scenes, configuring these systems relies on guessing entirely in the dark. Every machine learning code has invisible settings called hyperparameters. These act as hidden dials, dictating everything from exactly how deep a decision tree grows to the speed at which a neural network learns. To find the perfect combination, most developers rely on brute force. A standard grid search tests every single possible combination of these values, one by one. Adding a single new parameter to your test creates a mathematical trap known as the curse of dimensionality. The number of required tests explodes exponentially. You end up running thousands of completely useless trials. Manually waiting for each combination to finish paralyzes development, turning model training into an exhaustive, expensive waiting game. To escape this wait, developers often switch to random search. Instead of walking the whole grid, the script picks parameter settings randomly to save computing time. But random search carries a severe built-in flaw. It has absolutely zero memory. If trial 1 is a catastrophic failure, trial 2 ignores it completely. The system will repeatedly test the exact same failing parameter regions because it cannot learn from its own mistakes. Both grid and random search lack basic intelligence. They force you to burn massive amounts of highly expensive computational resources on totally useless tests. This waste stops with Bayesian optimization. This is a system that maps the search space using past data, and it serves as the core engine for an open-source framework called Optuna. On an animated 3D map, Optuna takes initial random steps to gather data. Using the tree-structured Parson estimator, it calculates probabilities to build a predictive model of the entire mountain. It clusters tests strictly in promising upward regions, ignoring deep, useless valleys completely. Because it calculates the probability of success based on its entire history, the model is mathematically guaranteed to make smarter, more accurate choices with every single trial it runs. You are no longer playing a random lottery. You are executing a calculated, surgical strike on the absolute optimal settings. Usually, developers assume they need to select a specific machine learning algorithm, like a random forest, before they can start tuning its settings. Optuna dismantles this approach with a feature called Define by Run. This makes the choice of the algorithm itself a flexible parameter within a fluid, dynamic search space. In a single session, Optuna seamlessly tests a support vector machine and then switches to a gradient boosting model to evaluate which architecture performs better for your specific data. The machine simultaneously identifies the most effective architecture and dials in its optimal settings, automating a decision process that once required constant manual adjustments. Still, training massive architectures like the ones used in real-time algorithmic trading or medical imaging taking days of raw computing power per single trial. To manage this heavy computing load, Optuna uses a built-in early stopping mechanism called pruning. Look at these line graphs tracking model performance over time. If the system detects a specific trial performing poorly early in its training phase, it terminates that trial instantly. The training stops dead in its tracks. The framework refuses to spend another precious second of compute time pursuing a mathematical dead end. Pruning acts as a ruthless resource manager. It ensures your expensive hardware is reserved strictly for the models that are actually winning. Every completed study produces a suite of automated visual diagnostics to accompany the final performance numbers. This dashboard displays a horizontal bar chart isolating parameter importance. It shows the exact mathematical impact each dial, like your learning rate, had on overall accuracy. Systems that rely on constant updates, from global streaming recommendation engines to live medical anomaly detectors, required this exact level of automated efficiency to stay relevant. As modern artificial intelligence scales to billions of parameters, brute force testing becomes mathematically impossible. Intelligent search is the only viable path forward. Exhaustive search is dead. By utilizing automated probabilistic mapping, you step away from being a manual dial turner and become the architect of a self-learning system.